Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Legacy. The Subaru Legacy offers a roomy interior and a dynamic drive you feel every second you're in the driver's seat. It's a refreshing alternative to the alternatives. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, stability control, traction control, alloy wheels, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, airbags, front, dual seat cushion, child safety locks, clock, CD player. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Subaru certified pre-owned vehicles have no secrets. You never have to wonder about vehicle history, reliability, and durability. Qualifying vehicles have passed through a stringent process determined by Subaru of America. And when shopping for a pre-owned Subaru, the best place to look is your Subaru dealer.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.